Welcome to another video. Now in today's tutorials we are going to solve for xy plus y given 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y equals to 160. Okay, solution. Now let's be very careful here. Now when we are given two different powers here with the same basis like this, we have a way of solving such problem. Now pay attention here. We have 2 raised to x plus 2 raised to y equals to 160. Okay, now let's take the first term out. So if I do that, it will be 2 raised to x out, and this side 1 plus 2 raised to y on 2 raised to x. I've done nothing because in going back this time that we get this time that it will cancel out, equals to 160. All right, now let's observe the 160 very well. Now when you have 160 is the same as 2 times, so 2 8 16 80, 2 times 40, 2 times 20, and 2 times 10. So 10 is 2 5 10. So we have 1 2 3 4 5 as 2 to the power 5 times 5. That is all right. So from here we can write this one as 2 to the power x 1 plus 2 to the power y on 2 to the power x equals to, so instead of 160 I'll write 2 to the power 5 times 5. Okay, now let's observe something here. Now when we have even numbers like 2 4 6 8 10, now if I add 1 to this, it will be 3. That is odd. If I add 1 to this, it will be 5, which is odd. If I add 1 to this, it will be 7, which is odd. 1 to this, it will be 9. 1 to this, 11, which will make them odd. It means when we add 1 to an even number, it will tend to an odd number. Okay, so following this analogy, we can solve this question with ease. Okay, now observe this one carefully. So with this one is even, this one is even. Okay, it means this one is odd and this one too is odd. So from here we can do comparison. Here 2 to the power x is same as 2 to the power 5, therefore x equals 5. So we have x equals 5. So we can proceed with what is in the bracket as 1 plus 2 to the power y on 2 to the power x equals to 5. So we can subtract 1 from both sides. That will be 2 to the power y on 2 to the power x equals to 5 minus 1. So we can write this one as 2 to the power y equals to 4 times 2 to the power x. So 2 to the power y will be same as 2 to the power 2 times 2 to the power x. Now when you are given a raised to n times a raised to b is same as a raised to n plus b, lots of indices. So we have 2 raised to y equals to 2 raised to 2 plus x. So from here we can equate the powers. So we have y equals to 2 plus x. But what is x? X is 5 here. So we can plug in the 5, y 2 plus 5, y equals 7. Okay, therefore 2 to the power x to the power y equals 160. To the power x, that is 5 plus 2 to the power y 7, give us 160. But we are to solve for x, y plus y. Let's observe it here. X, y plus y. So x is 5, y is 7 plus 7. So 7, 5, 35 plus 7, that will be 42. Alright, subscribe for more exciting videos like this. Alright.